Hey guys, it's Tanzania, aka Tansy, the Glow Up Guru, and welcome to my channel. I get compliments all the time on my makeup, so I thought, well, maybe I'm good at this. Maybe I could show somebody else how to do it. So leave a comment, tell me what you think. Say hello. I'd love to hear from you, and yeah, subscribe. I'd appreciate this. A primer is a little concoction I made myself. It's a mixture of water in a spray bottle and some good old glycerin. And this is pure vegetable-based glycerin. It's an emollient, skin soak, and aromatherapy bath. Softens and moisturizes. Okay? And you can use this as a primer, and you can also use this as a setting spray. I use it as a primer. I do not use setting spray. So, yeah. I use it as a primer. It allows my makeup to last all day. And if I cry or anything, my makeup still be looking good. And trust me, I've done it. So yeah, what you do is, and guys, if you want it to be a spray, I would suggest a setting spray. I would suggest you look really shiny, and I have combination skin. So yeah, close your mouth when you do this. I just go in, and guys, I do put makeup on my neck because I want everything to blend, you feel me? And this is what my skin looks like, no makeup. Got a couple of blemishes, but I think I look good, y'all. I don't think, I know. But yeah, you close your eyes, and then you spray. And this is a primer. And guys, if you use this as a primer, you may not need to use a setting spray. I typically don't use a setting spray, like I said, because it can make my face look really shiny, and I have combination skin. So yeah, close your mouth when you do this. I just go in, and guys, I do put makeup on my neck because I want everything to blend, you feel me? And this is what my skin for my eyebrows is this. And guys, this is a NYX product. Now NYX is expensive, but to me it's expensive. But I went ahead and got this. I think it costs like $10. It's called Dip, Shape, and Go. And I'm gonna use this to do, and it's so clever how they created this. And I got it in the color Espresso. I didn't want jet black because my hair ain't jet black. Yeah. Here's what it looks like. Something like that. And what you do is, there's a snap. Let's see. It says twist. Okay, what you do is you take this off. Thing, you unscroll it. Unscrew it. Something like that. And then you can just go up like this. This one I made a little too high. Go on with your little white. Got a little concealer. It's Fit Me Cocoa concealer, and like I said, I will leave links in the description box or information box, whatever you call it. Usually a lot comes out, so try to start with my other eye, under my crease. A Struck palette by Profusion, and I'm just gonna open this. Lighter blue. And I'm just gonna go. And guys, don't worry, we're gonna clean this up with some baby wipes. And I go into the crease with their makeup because I taught myself. Basically. Okay. And this is where I use the baby wipes again. To get the makeup. Let's see that. I'm just gonna open it. Alrighty. And then take the little thing, this in there. I like this brush because it's thick. And I'm just gonna another color as well. And I think I'm gonna go with this dark blue. I think I want to do blue onto the eyelashes. And like I said, guys, I will leave links to all that I use. Let me see, I'm gonna do my right eye first. Just what I like to do is to bend it towards me. You can even press it like that, but make sure you bend it. That will adhere to your eye shape a little bit better. I'm gonna take this and just put the glue on there. Then I leave it and start on the other. So yeah. Just gonna rub it together and then blow on it. Okay. What I like to do is basically look forward. Look at my makeup tutorial. Alrighty guys, so now I got my eyelashes on. And I am just gonna do the rest of my look to the next level. And this is supposed to be my depression makeup. So at least that's what I'm gonna call it. I'm just gonna take this little sequins. They're shaped like teardrops. So I've been sad, y'all, but I'm feeling better. And I'm just gonna tear these off. Okay, found another way to apply these. Like that. Add your glue to your skin before. You know what? I'm just gonna use my fingers. Alright guys, I had to add some more pizzazz, so I'm going off my glue. I took the little things off. But yeah, I'm about to go in some glue. And I got my pressed powder glitter. See all the different colors. It's about to be blades. And I am just gonna use this glue, eyelash glue. Now I'm gonna take this brush. Like I said, guys, you can use baby wipes to clean the excess. Alright guys, so I did it my way, okay? I took this. This is another Profusion palette. And this is Euphoria, I think. Yeah, Euphoria. And what I did was I took some of this color and used my finger and put it on there, on my lids. And then I'm going to take this color and rub it in there. And guys, I mainly like using my fingers to do makeup. And then I'm going to go up here and get this black. And kind of, your fingers are the best thing to use to blend makeup, in my opinion. Also, another thing you can do with these eyeshadows. See? Take this color. And while you have gloss on your lips,